It's raining again. Yesterday, it was so nice and sunny. I wish it was like that today.
Do you want to learn how to say the weather things in Hochunk?
Sure. How?
Watch this.
Mahiwi Jena. Cloudy. Mahiwi Jena. Nijuje. It's raining. Nijuje. Mashigi. Storming. Mashigi. Maida Jehi. Windy. Maida Jehi. Wida Hagepshana. Sunny. Wida Hagepshana. Hampska Jena. Clear day. Hampska Jena. Dakaji. It's hot. Dakaji. Hosinihije. It's cold. Hosinihije. Wahuhije. It's snowing. Wahuhije.
Na. Tree. Na. Horu pere. Bush. Horu pere. Page. Fire. Page. Khanwi. Grass. Khanwi. Khanwi. Ho khere. Flowers. Khanwi. Ho khere. Mulga. Riverbank. Mulga. Ni Shanuk. Creek. Ni Shanuk. Ni. Water. Ni. Ini. Rocks. Ini. Ma. Earth. Ma. We. Sun. We. Mahi. Clouds. Mahi.